Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm sure you already know this, especially if you've watched my videos before, but I am obsessed with Mini Macaron gel polishes. They are so easy to use, and their gel polishes have a 3-in-1 formula which combines a base coat, a color coat, and a top coat all in one bottle. And they're also 9-free, cruelty-free, and vegan. And today I'm going to be sharing the swatches of their newest trio, Sweet Provence, which was inspired by the south of France. This trio has 3 gel polishes, 2 of which are brand new shades, so I'm excited to show you those. And don't forget, you can get 10% off regular price items with my code caramellogram10. Now let's go ahead and get on into the swatches. Up first is Creme de Lavande, which is one of their brand new shades, and this is a very light pastel lavender shade. For my first coat, I applied a super thin layer, and this is going to help make sure your polish cures evenly, and it'll actually help your manicure last longer as well. Then I cured it in my rose cream LED lamp for 30 seconds, and for my second coat, I feel like if I used a slightly thicker coat, I probably could have reached full opacity, but I opted for 3 slightly thinner coats. So here are 3 coats of Creme de Lavande. The next gel polish in the trio is their other brand new shade called Creme Dabrico, which is a peachy coral color. I feel like this is such a trendy color this year, and it had such a good formula. It was perfect for me in 2 easy coats. So here are 2 coats of Creme Dabrico. The third and final shade in the collection is Lemon Sorbet, which is one of their classic shades and one of my all-time favorite yellows in my entire collection. I personally think this is the perfect shade of yellow. It's not too obnoxious or in your face, but it's still saturated enough to give you that fun pop of color. And for me, this was opaque in 2 to 3 coats. Some nails I did 2 coats and some I did 3. I think it really depends on how thick your second coat is. So here are 3 coats of Lemon Sorbet. So here's one more look at the swatches of the 3 gel polishes from Mini Macaron's newest trio, Sweet Provence. Let me know which is your favorite in the comments below, and don't forget you can get 10% off regular price items at minimacaron.com with my code caramellogram10. And if you want to see some more of my Mini Macaron live swatches or my reviews of their gel manicure kit or their Maxi kit, you can click my Mini Macaron playlist that's on your screen or the links in the description box below. And if you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. But anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!